Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is me your teacher Miss Madiha Rahman from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses and Gulistani Johar campus. I welcome you all to the recorded lecture of grade 4 English. We are doing the chapter The Story of Dr. Dolittle. We have read the chapter, we have solved some exercises of topic infinitives, and now we are going to do the comprehension of this topic. The comprehension means new words, words meaning, question and answers. Yes, and some book exercises are also included in this video. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप वीडियो देखते वक्त अपनी बुक, कॉपीज और पेंसिल, इरेजर्स, आपका जो स्टेशनरी आइटम्स है वो अपने साथ रखें और जैसे जैसे मैं आपको काम करवाती जाऊँ आप साथ साथ अपनी कॉपी में करते जाइए. You can also pause the video and do your work. आप वीडियो पॉज करके भी नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं, बट बेहतर यह है कि आप पहले पूरी वीडियो देखें, आप समझें कि मैं करवा क्या रही हूँ, मैं कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस समझा रही हूँ, उसके बाद आप ये सारा काम अपनी कॉपी में करेंगे. सबसे पहले लेट अस बिगिन इन द नेम ऑफ अल्लाह. रब्बी जिदनी इल्मा, रब्बी जिदनी इल्मा, रब्बी जिदनी इल्मा. ए मेरे रब, मेरे इल्म में इजाफा अता फरमा. ओह माय लॉर्ड, इंक्रीज मी इन माय नॉलेज. ये दुआ मैं आपको बताती रहती हूँ कि आपको हर काम करने से पहले पढ़नी है. आप कोई काम करने बैठ रहे हो, कुछ याद करने बैठ रहे हो, कुछ नया सीखने बैठ रहे हो, आपको ये दुआ पढ़नी चाहिए. इससे आपके काम में आसानी भी होती है, बरकत भी होती है और आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आता है. First of all, let us see what is the recap of the story of Dr. Dolittle. We studied about a doctor whose name was Dr. John Dolittle, MD. MD means that he had a proper degree of doctor, medicine, and he knew a lot about medicine. But the main problem or the main thing was that he loved animals. He loves animals more than people. उसको animals ज़्यादा पसंद थे बजाय के इंसानों के. And because of this he had so many animals in his house. He had cow, cat, calf, horse, a lamb, kitten, cats, dog, duck, parrot, owl, and so many more animals. And because of this people don't used to visit him, they don't used to get to him for any help or any medical emergency. And he was very fond of animals. So this was the story of about this doctor. First of all, we are going to do the topic new words in our literature copy. You have to make the title page of the chapter, the story of Dr. Dolittle. इसका सबसे पहले आप title page बनाएंगे English literature copy में. English literature copy में you have to make the title page, and then you are going to do the first work is topic new words. I'm going to repeat the words: butcher, cracker, dresser, hedgehog, pantry, porridge, rheumatism, ridiculous, weeping, willow, trenches, imaginative. I'm going to repeat the words: butcher, cracker, dresser, hedgehog, pantry, porridge, rheumatism, ridiculous, weeping, willow, trenches, imaginative. So these are the new words that we have learned in this chapter. The next page you are going to write topic, words meaning, and we are going to do the words meaning. You will write the words with the blue pencil and meaning with the pencil. If you don't have blue color pencil, you can simply write it with the pencil. Butcher's book. The book the butcher used to record what meat has been supplied. जो book butchers use करते हैं ये record करने के लिए कि उन्होंने कितना meat supply कर लिया है. Cracker, a thin crisp of wafer. Dresser, a low chest of drawers. Hedgehog, a type of small mammal with sharp spines covering its body. The animal who has spines or sharp needle-like things on their skin, it's called hedgehog. Linen closet, a cabinet for storing clothing and sheets. Pantry, a small room near kitchen to store food. Porridge, a soft food made by boiling oats or cereal in water or milk. I'll repeat the words: butcher's book, cracker, dresser, hedgehog, linen closet, pantry, porridge. So these are the words and you have to write their meaning. Rheumatism, a condition in which discomfort is felt in the limbs or joints. Ridiculous, silly. Weeping willows, a type of tree with long branches and leaves that reach down to the ground. Trenches, a long narrow ditch. Imaginative, having or showing creativity. Rheumatism, ridiculous, weeping willows, trenches, imaginative. So here after doing this your words meaning are complete. I would like to request you कि please be patient, आराम आराम से काम करें, neatly काम करें, आपके पास अच्छा खासा टाइम होता है, आपकी राइटिंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए, प्रॉपर डेट डले आज की, प्रॉपर वर्ड्स, प्रॉपर मीनिंग, प्रॉपर लाइन, यूज स्केल टू ड्रॉ द लाइन एंड एकदम नीट परफेक्ट काम आपका होना चाहिए कि टीचर को कोई भी मिस्टेक आपके काम में ना मिल सके. Next, on the new page, you will write topic, question and answers. Answer the following questions. Now, book mein there are a lot of questions and we are not going to do all the questions. We are going to do some important questions. So, question number A, did Dr. Dolittle live alone? No, he lived with his sister Sarah. B, how many different kinds of pets lived with Dr. Dolittle? A duck, a dog, parrot, an owl, goldfish, rabbits, white mice, a squirrel, a hedgehog, a cow and a calf, an old lame horse, chickens and many other animals lived with Dr. Dolittle. You can see he had so many animals with him in the house. His house was very small, but he had a very beautiful and very big garden, a lawn, and he had a lot of animals as well. He loved animals, so he had every type of animals in his house. Number C, who gave Dr. Dolittle the idea to become an animal doctor? The cat's meat man. The cat's meat man was the one who gave doctor the idea of becoming an full-time animal doctor. How and why did Dr. Dolittle become poor? Dr. Dolittle became poor because people stopped coming to see him about their illness. This was because he always had animals around which people did not like. If you remember, there was a lady who came to see the doctor and sat on the hedgehog. That was the last time that she came, and she would prefer कि वो 10 miles travel करके दूसरे town में दूसरे doctor के पास जाए, but she would not come again to Dr. Dolittle. So these are the 4 question and answers that you have to do, and the next topic on the new page you will do topic RTC. Answer the questions about this line from the story. There is a line and इस line के बारे में हमसे कुछ questions पूछे गए हैं, हमें उनका answer लिखना है. The sentence, the line from the story is, "You are ridiculous," said his sister and walked out of the room. You are ridiculous, said his sister and walked out of the room. Number A, who is speaking to whom? Sarah Dolittle to her brother Dr. Dolittle. What have the brother and sister been speaking about? They were speaking about Dr. Dolittle's habit of keeping so many animals in the house. The sister of Dr. Dolittle was Sarah Dolittle, and she hated that his brother had so many animals in the house. She said that the animals made the house very untidy. Number C, why does the speaker get upset and leaves the room? Sarah left the room because Dr. Dolittle says he likes animals more than he likes the best people. What happens after this? The doctor got more and more animals. People came to see him less and less. So this was our copy work. ये सारा काम आपने English literature copy में करना है. Now I want you all to open textbook page number 68 and 69. We are going to do exercise B. ये exercise हम book के अंदर ही करेंगे पेंसिल से. आप चाहें तो exercise के साथ अपनी date लिख सकते हैं, class work लिख सकते हैं, and हम लोग ये book में ही solve करेंगे with your pencils. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. Now, A, the people did not know his name, but when they saw him on the road, they knew him by dash, by sight. B, Dr. Dolittle's house was not in the town but on the edge of the town. Underline जो मैंने words किए हैं वो आप लोग blank में अपनी book पे लिखेंगे. See, the doctor's favorite pets were a duck, a dog, and a parrot. The children were not happy and grumbled all day because they could not go out. Grumbled, I told you, grumbled का meaning होता है to complain, to always complain about something. E. He wore such a ridiculous hat that the others all laughed and made fun of him. The underlined word ridiculous, you have to write it in the blank. After he fell over, the boy picked himself up and dusted his shirt. Underline word dusted. You have to write it in the blank. The children rushed out of the class to see the parade passing along the road. Rushed, that is the word you have to write in your blank. So this was the exercise B in textbook page 68 and 69. Now please open your workbook and we are going to solve workbook page 54. You can write the date and classwork on the page and we are going to solve this. Now my dear students, as you can see, there is an exercise. In this exercise we have to add 2 in the sentences. As you can see, number A, I gave him the mango. अब इस sentence में हमें 2 लगाना है और हमारे पास 2 object हो जाएंगे. I gave the mango to him. I subject है आपका, gave verb है और क्या हमने दिया, mango, that is an object, and to him is also an indirect object. So 2 लगाने से हमारे 2 object हमारे पास आ जाते हैं. B, she sent my friend a letter. Answer, she sent a letter to my friend. C, they lent my father the book. They lent the books to my father. You have to write the sentence answers only in your वर्कबुक. सिर्फ आपके पास सेंटेंस आंसर की जगह है, आप वहां पे पेंसिल से इनके आंसर्स लिखेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. नाउ चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस एंड लीव आउट 2. अब हमें इस सेंटेंसेस में जो हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है इनमें 2 ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ है. अब हमें इसका ऑपोजिट करना है, हमें 2 रिमूव करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी नंबर ए, आई गेव द टॉप टू द child. I gave the child the top. हमने 2 रिमूव कर दिया. I sent the letter to the manager. I sent the manager the letter. I paid the money to the shopkeeper. I paid the shopkeeper the money. D, I showed the house to the visitors. I showed the visitors the house. Similar exercises है. एक में हमने 2 लगाया था और सेकंड क्वेश्चन में हमने 2 रिमूव किया है. I hope that you video and you will complete your work with the help of this video in your literature copy, in your textbook and in your workbook. Till the next video, this is me, Miss Madhya Rahman, signing off. Allah Hafiz.